Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change iPhone 17 icons with the liquid glass effect. Okay, it is really easy. First we need to launch the customization menu. Simply hold on an empty space on your home screen and now click on the edit button. Click on customize. In here we have the themes of our icons and simply select clear. And basically that's it. Now the effect has been successfully turned on. We can also next to it change the size of our icons, for example, if you are interested. And now we have that glass effect set for our icons. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.